Hey, it's Craig here. This week I'm going to show you how to customize the develop module in Lightroom. Thanks for tuning in to this week's editing toolbox video. I'm Craig Turner-Bullock from Unleashed Education, and in these videos Charlotte and I take turns each every week to share a quick tip, trick or technique that will make your life a little bit easier when you're editing your pet photography. This week we've been teaching the Unleashed workshop down in Arrowtown, and it is stunning down here at the moment. I'm just editing a few images from the workshop, and I have learned a new trick that I was really excited about that I want to share with you, and that is how to customize your develop module. This is really awesome if you find yourself using lots of tools in the develop module frequently. Like I use the calibration a lot in pretty much every image I edit, and I'm always scrolling all the way down because it's tucked down here right at the bottom of the develop module. But that is no more because it's really easy. All we have to do is right click and go customize develop panel. Who knew? Now I can actually move up the calibration. I'm going to put it under my hue, saturation and luminance because it's probably the thing aside from those that I use the most. So we can arrange this in any order that we want. We can hide things if we just uncheck them, if we don't use them. I don't think there's really anything that I never use, so I wouldn't actually hide any of these things. You can if you want to. If you find that you don't ever use effects, hide them. You don't need to see them. So yeah, now my calibration is higher. I think that everything else is probably okay. I don't need to move any of that. And we just go save. Then we just need to relaunch Lightroom. So let's do that now. Okay, here we are. Lightroom has relaunched. And let's scroll down. We've got basic, tone curve, HSL, and there's my calibration. So now I don't have to go all the way down to the bottom anymore to get to that. And I'm very excited to have this on my laptop while I'm traveling, and I'll be able to change this when I get back home. So if you want to customize your Lightroom develop module to any way you like to fit in with your workflow, that is how you do it. This week's tips really quick and easy, and I hope it's been helpful for you. And we will be back with another editing toolbox video with Charlotte next week. See ya.